The iPhone 17 lineup, expected in 2025, will include for models iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Slim, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Listen to the end to learn the top 5 features of the iPhone 17. Key specs: displays, iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro, 6, 27 inches, iPhone 17 Slim, 6, 65 inches, iPhone 17 Pro Max, 6, 86 inches. All models will feature displays with 120Hz refresh rate support, which will provide a smoother interface. Processors: all devices will feature Apple A19 processors, with the Pro versions likely to feature the more powerful A19 Pro chip. RAM: iPhone 17 and 17 Slim, 8GB RAM. iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, 12GB RAM. Cameras: all models will have a 24-megapixel front camera, with the Pro Max getting a triple 48-megapixel camera. New features: the Slim model will replace the Plus and will have a thinner design, as well as a higher price, starting at $1 to $199. Here are 5 features that are specially reserved for the iPhone 17 series of smartphones. In 2025, the base smartphones of the line, iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Plus, are expected to receive larger displays, 6, 27 and 6, 86 inches, respectively. At the same time, the aspect ratio of all iPhone 17 models will be 19:6:9. In other words, the smartphones will become slightly taller, not wider. Promotion from Ion with a refresh rate of 120 Hz in iPhone Northeast 17. All smartphones from the iPhone 17 line will finally receive support for a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The promotion function will allow the displays of the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Plus to operate in always-on display mode at a frequency of up to 1 Hz, which should have a positive effect on energy efficiency. Under screen Face It in iPhone Northeast 17, the iPhone 17 Pro models are expected to be the first iPhones with Face It, a facial recognition system that will be located under the screen. At the same time, the screen will still have a round cutout for the front camera. It is planned to be removed only by 2027. In the iPhone 19 line, Apple's own Wi-Fi 7 chip. By 2025, all premium Apple devices are expected to be equipped with a Wi-Fi 7 chip of its own design. It will support communication in the 2, 4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz ranges, which will ensure high connection speeds, minimal latency, and wide coverage. For 8MP telephone north-east lens in iPhone Northeast 17, the iPhone 17 Pro Max should be equipped with a 8MP telephoto lens. The main and ultra-wide-angle cameras should also be 8MP for comparison. The current iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models are equipped with a triple camera in a 48, 12, and 12MP configuration. The same for 8MP telephoto lens will also be received by the upcoming Apple Vision Pro augmented reality headset, which will be released in early 2024.